ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya State Unit Hakalaitri Urampang Araja Apulai Pynkup Burom ikong Silbi Passah iblasha jid banyak pediang yaga kusnam Pat Mashri Badioba Alexander lalu hek ubalayo pediang yaga kusnam daba sahib halke dang Shen New Delhi Ikong Silbi Passah ilasha jid banyak pediang yaga kusnam Pat Mashri haloga jingla jongi ban kintiu ya kaput katem berkarwai kasiau tenrai Kat bau ba hek ulasha Pynkup Burom daga diga kusnam. Kumu menteri sarkar bertebit berkumu nong syakri pat ba berklaim syong tahat jiki arpusan ligis nem ki bau long kumu nong mikmat jang pentor umkrak konstituensi badan usinyang uben hei bulan no syaka jela berkeri berok kawai. Hagicing Pynkup Burom miki digi arngot lasa kilang du presiden ke BJP Meghalaya Pradesh Urik Man Ji Momin bat kiwe de ki noya lam bahakmat jang ke parti.
It is a special day for me to be facilitated by you all, the influential people of the country. I am indeed honored. My gratitude goes to the organizer of this program, who feels that I deserve this appreciation. I have come a long way in my journey as a Hindi teacher, taking part in my student to curricular activities. I have this keen interest to preserve and promote traditional song, dance, as well as instrument to love all these traditional instruments. What belong my students? In the later year, the Department of Art and Culture acknowledged my effort and paved way for me to enhance our culture. I was given an opportunity to showcase our traditional song, dance, not only within the state, but also to the different states of India. I am grateful to the Department of Art and Culture and also to the ICCR. Looking back, I remember Ba A.L. Heck, Ba Sanbor Shulai, the former Minister of Art and Culture, who always inspired me whenever we perform a word of inspiration from them is indeed a spark to wearing income. Not to forget Ba Paul also, who was the Minister of Art and Culture, who have interest, keen interest in promoting our culture. It is worth me to hear that the credit of my success goes to my students, my troops, who always cooperate with me. In all effort, I am thankful to all of them. Let me further extend my gratitude to the headman of our locality, Bakharkran, who have taken the initiative and enabled me to share my success.
The felicitation program conferred to two of us, Silbi Passah, the Padma Shri awardee. If I compare the awards that she has received by Silbi Passah, I am nobody. No comparisons at all. So I congratulate you, Passah, for all the achievement that you have done, not only for you, for the society, for the states, and for the nations. So I'd like to thank also our spokespersons, also my good friends, Bakharkran, who are presiding over the proceeding this evening, and everyone present here. Receiving the awards is not the ends of your journey, but receiving of the award is the beginning of our journey to work more force and more better for the deserving people. So that is why we are receiving our awards to work furthermore. Of course, I have received so many awards, but if you have mentioned a few here, that like I have given the award by the honorable government at the time when we have given shelter for the hawkers. Then we have decided in our Darbar Shnong golfing, because there are so many street vendors in the golfing area at that time. Then they have given me the responsibility to build the hawkers market. And I would like to inform you, we have not charged 1 rupee also for the rent from that hawkers market. We have given all of them free of cost. I have also got the awards for the best minister management during the COVID. That is not me alone. We have the full team working right from the DHS that time, the commissioner secretary, all the directors and officers been working together. But I have been recognized one of the best ministers because we have been working days and night to ensure the safety and the safety of all the people of the state of Meghalaya. Also we have, I know I forgot the place in the British when we went to London. Even the one mayor had invited me for the award. So that award also we have received from the mayor of London. Then now the Dada Saheb Phalke Awards. Dada Saheb Phalke Awards, I don't know from where they have been honoring me and from where they have been selected me, nominated me, and also they have chosen me to be one of the awardees from the state of Meghalaya for the best minister in the state of Meghalaya. Then I have also got the best award, I'm telling you, in 2001 when there was a flood in Shillong. Completely the Burom crime become already completely submerged. Completely submerged. Then they have seen one of the locality, the people are under the water. And the first person, being the MLA and minister, I jump into the water and we swam into the water and we saved so many lives at that time. So many lives. After that we got into the shelter home. We got to the shelter home, we feed them for at least 2-3 days until unless they are able to go back to their respective places.